Hi everybody, this is John with Stamps Auto Tire Pros. I just wanted to explain to everybody the new relationship we have with Tire Pros now and what that does for our customers. The one says giving our customers a quality product for everything they need for their car, including tires. We made that relationship with Tire Pros to be able to offer our customers great value on tires and for them not to have to go to any place but Stamps Auto Tire Pros to get their car maintenance and tires rotated, balanced, and replaced. Stamps Auto is still a family-owned business. We always will be. It's not a franchise. It's not a... here at Stamps Auto Tire Pros, we are still a Napa Auto Care Center. We still offer a nationwide warranty with the Napa Auto Care program. That is the nice thing with the Tire Pros and the Napa Auto Care brand, is that we can take that and use it as our own and give it to our customers how we see fit. And we feel that there's a bunch of value in the Tire Pros brand nationwide, and also the Napa Auto Care brand nationwide. So come see us at Stamps Auto, where we are still a family-owned business.